U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vulture, soaring tall. W is for whale who sings in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, bright as can be. Y is for yak with shaggy fur. Z is for zebra with stripes that